What's going on, guys? Mixed, and today's Savoy cocktail is the Union Jack. For the Union Jack cocktail is 20ml of Grenadine, 20ml of Maraschino Liqueur and 30ml of Green Chartreuse. So first we'll pour in 20ml or 3/4 of an ounce of Grenadine to sit at the bottom. It does call for a liqueur glass in the recipe book. Next, layer on your Maraschino Liqueur. Should sit perfectly on top. And now for the top layer, the Green Chartreuse. I don't know why the cocktail book goes for Green Chartreuse, but I guess they didn't have a blue one there to layer at top at the time. So we've got to make do with this, as it calls in the Savoy Cocktail recipe book, and I'm just following that. So never slowly pour when you're layering. There we go, one Union Jack. But if you had a liqueur glass, it will look a lot smaller. It's more like a bigger shot glass, about 60ml liqueur glass. Would use that if you had one, but all my glasses are too small, so we'll have to make do with this. Well, there you go, guys. I'll give you a close up of it. And how does the Union Jack cocktail taste? Because it should be a strong taste at the top with the Green Chartreuse. Certainly what I expected, certainly very strong at the top with the Green Chartreuse. Very nice though. But I think I'd prefer this straight up as a shooter. Well, there you go, guys. That is one Union Jack cocktail. So make sure you stick around for the next Savoy cocktail recipe, and so we'll be doing more cocktail recipes straight out of the Savoy cocktail book, they're very famous book. And make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more cocktails like this, as we will be doing the Corpse Reviver. And also we'll be doing its most famous one as well, the Corpse Reviver #2, as I want to compare the two, as it's one of the most famous ones, the Corpse Reviver #2, and I want to show you guys how to make that. So I will see you for the next cocktail video. Cheers.